So, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Jody. And it's your boy. I'm just joking. My son is not here. He's at school, guys. So, quick and fast. But just come to do a quick video. And basically just let you guys know, like, guys, I promise you I'm not ignoring you guys. Cause even the comments that people are saying me I ignore them. Like, what? It's just my channel is fairly small, so must everybody comments. I'm try to answer to as much people as I can. I promise you it's not that we don't want to make any videos, it's just the timing. Like, even this morning I see somebody comment and I say you need to make more videos with your son. Like perfect example, right now I'm off today, thank God, because I'm tired like a dog. Like, I'm tired, I'm stressed out. Girl life busy, whole lot of things are going, but I'm soon telling about. But it's just a lot. I'm just not at the time. So, like, for example, even now I'm off, my son there at school. By the time him come home, I'm gonna be outside because I have things to do. And I'm not coming home until about 7, I believe. And by the time that him just do I do film homework or a bed or I get ready for go to school or whatever, and I don't want subject him or make him feel obligated for have to do this with me and miss out on him schoolwork. That's the last thing that I want to happen. You get what I say? I mean, we can do it on the weekends, but because I'm so busy with work during the week, on the weekends, that's when I normally have a bag of things to do also. So it's like a struggle, it's a fight. But like I told you guys before, one thing for sure, two things for certain, the doll not give up on our channel. So no matter how long on the summer take for post, best believe I'll still be here and I'm still coming. What about things I can share about the time? Sometimes I just don't have the time, and I know I can do other videos as well, but I just not have the time sometimes. And I know I'm tired to hear this, but I still have to come say it because every day new people come on the channel and they want to know what I want. Them see a video, them like it, and them want to know what I want. But look, so them see a video, them like it, and them want to know what I want. I just came back from running, walking outside, whatever you want to call it. So must start cook because in the evening I'm not gonna have the time to do so. So I finish up with that, and then I have some schoolwork for do, and me go up on the road like I say. I don't know, like I feel like I try to prioritize as much as I can, but I just still feel so overwhelmed because girl just have a busy life. I don't know. Guys, a lot of things is going on in my personal life as well as my work life. I'm gonna tell you no. We're not gonna hear what going with the doll. Not hear what going with the doll, yeah. But it's just time. It's just time. But I just wanted to take the time out because I mean, even though I'm the only one here, I can take a few minutes to make a video, right? So I just want to take the time out to say thank you to the people who are still supporting or still sticking around. Thank you to the newcomers. I realize that people enjoy the pranks more than anything else. Of course, it's something to make you laugh. So obviously, that most people are gonna go for. And I want to do more, like I said, but it's just timing. But like I said, right now, I'm just go through some things. Girl, I go through some things. Work-wise, I have a big decision to make. Right now, I go through some things where remember, like most of you know, I work for a bank. I'm thinking about leaving the bank to go to another bank that is trying to get me to come over there. But now that another bank is trying to get me to come over there, my bank is trying to give me another offer, and it literally stressed me out. I'm stressed out. Like, guys, I mean, when you have ambitions, it can be good and it can be bad. And well, it can be a bad thing, but I just say, like when you yearn and you just want certain things and you just want to achieve certain goals, it can be very stressful. So one of the main things I go through right now, like I say, is with my job in terms of making certain decisions, because I felt like I wasn't being appreciated with all of the good that I've been doing so far, and my job have been highlighting that. However, they weren't doing nothing about it, even though they kept making promises for promotions and stuff like that. And then as soon as I got another offer from another bank, boom, they now wants to, basically give me what is due to me, I would say. And it has stressed me out because I still think what decision to make. It's a big decision, You can take up yourself and go somewhere else and might not like it or regret it. As well as I can stay where I am and it not turn out well either. So it's like, I know some people might be like, enough people didn't have a job. You're lucky you have choices and whatever. But I work hard, people. I work hard. It doesn't come easy. I cry many nights, I stress about all kind of things. Because like I said, I have dreams and aspirations. Like, I grew up poor, I grew up rough. And girl, now I'm big and poor neither. You're crazy? So, I feel like I'm hard on myself because like I want so much I don't know. Maybe I want so much in so little time. I mean, I migrated to America just 2 years now, and I'm not gonna lie, my growth has been tremendous. Because even though I migrated here 2 years ago, I just started working a year ago, and I feel like I'm not accomplished half the things I want to. But when I look at the type of job that I have and the pace that I'm going at, I feel like I'm happy regardless, because a lot of people come here and basically just waste some time, as well as some people just never ever figure it out. It's hard. It's not easy. Like I'm stressed every day, I have anxiety every day, even in terms of just making decisions, even in terms of my job. My job is not easy, but nothing comes easy. Unless I'm gonna be a dolly. I'm not want a man bury me under the basement to joke my mate, but just say. But saying all of this to say that I'm not forget about my YouTube page. I never do. I go on my YouTube page actually every single day, go read comments and stuff like that and answer back to people and things like that. I just time I'm a problem. And like I say, I'm stressed out for the past about a week or two because I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. Might just quit the job and come to a full-time YouTuber. What about things I want in my head? Who knows? I joke me. At one point I was thinking about that too, but that's also a big risk to take. So girl, I have no shadow and girl love money. But not no money, I'm stressed. Not no money, no, Right now, my broke up with responsibilities. But it comes with the territory, so I'm not complaining about it. And thank God, I'm able to provide for myself and my family nonetheless. So, big up God. But I just say, and I just gonna end the video here by saying, young girls, stay in school. Stay in school. If you know, you know. Stay in school. Too much woman are gonna missing. Man a kill woman. And a lot of this is because none of these little girls want to sit down and be dolly. And even if you don't want to sit down and be dolly, and you just want a man to take care of you, nothing is wrong with that either. But then you subject yourself to all kind of things because of money. Stay in school. I did young one time, and yeah, I did like the whole narrative of, yeah, you want a money man to take care or whatever the case may be. But as you get older, you realize like that's not it. A lot of things come with that. The disrespect, the disregard, whatever things you have to go through. People come nice to you, and when them tired of you or when them have to do everything for you, or them know you can't nothing for yourself, best believe the kick down and the box down will come next. But whatever things we can step on that, because I mean, when the woman I go missing and can't find, and I don't know, Jamaica just coming like a big careless place to me. I'm sorry, but I just have to say it, like, I don't know what the police really do. But anyways, we just have to pray for better and pray for these young girls and young men. Big man I kill people anyways, but just have to say. But guys, I promise you, I'm working on the video. Well, I'm not working on the video because I'm not make none yet. Forgive me, I'm lying. But I have ideas, I just haven't had the time for really bring them out yet. I haven't had the time to bring stuff to fruition, but I'm working on it. So have a great day, guys. I don't know, maybe we can start try do some get ready with me or something at morning time when I go work. But most time I wake up late and me just work right down the road. But just wake up late for the better. Somebody have not time to do that. But I don't know, I'm trying. But I love you guys. Thanks for supporting and have a great day.